Instead of spewing propaganda, Vučić today should have told us whether he regrets belonging to a regime that caused more than 150,000 civilians killed, whether he regrets anything from his career in the 90s, whether he regrets calling for genocide in Srebrenica from the lectern of his parliament, whether he regrets standing behind Šešelj when he said we should leave no Albanian left alive, whether he regrets expelling all journalists from the country during those wars, whether he regrets glorifying Milošević just a year ago, calling him a great man with great intentions, whether he regrets the fact that he belonged and served so loyally to that regime. The victims of that regime, Mr. Vučić, are standing right here. Take a moment and apologize to them. Show everyone whether you have even a little bit of a glimpse of humanity left in you.